Is AI going to take all the jobs? If that question worries you, then you're not thinking about your career the right way.
Because at Tetr, we look at careers a bit differently.
While others are out there chasing opportunities, we attract global opportunities while still being in college because we learn business
By building business.
At most colleges, internships are optional. At Tetr, they're embedded into your career.
We don't just apply through portals. We pitch to real CXOs, consult with venture capitalists, and land projects with global brands, right here on campus.
Chaos is where we thrive.
Dubai, Japan, Switzerland, South Korea, China, London, USA, you name it. Our students are everywhere, building brands like NAS Daily, BlackRock, Emeritus, Nexus Climate, Noon, PSafe, Jitex, and more.
In just 1 year, we've got over $100,000 earned in stipends, 100 plus internship placements, 600 plus hours of one-on-one mentorship, and over 100 plus CXO conversations.
But careers at Tetr aren't just about internships.
We shadowed CXOs. We work on live deals from EV mobility to real estate.
And we get personal feedback from mentors who've built unicorns while still working on our own brands in college.
From speed networking with founders to pitching ourselves to industry leaders, we like to do things a bit different. So while others are still wondering what their dream career would look like, you can make yours come true by building brands, launching products, and making bold moves.